Hi, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. We're going to do the 5 exercises, the warm-up part of classic Pilates mat class. Let's get right in it. Centering ourselves on the mat. Bring our feet, knees in, hug our knees in, then take them out to tabletop. Lift your head and shoulders up off the mat. For the hundreds, we're vigorously pumping our arms up and down, vigorously pumping up. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going. Keep vigorously pumping those arms. You can take your legs out to a high diagonal or to 45 degrees. Make sure the heels are pushing together. The legs are hugging the midline. And you're drawing those shoulders away. And of course, pulling your abs in and up. Pulling those abs in and up as you look into the abs. Vigorously pump those up. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale all the air out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Keep going. Looking into the mat, into the abs. Last one, inhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, and exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hug the knees in, rock up for half roll down. For half roll down, hands underneath the knee creases, head is towards the knees, C-curve the spine, bone by bone, articulate away from the knees, then elbows out to the side as you come up and over your knees. For the half roll down, just go as straight as the arms allow and head towards the knees. Sometimes this exercise will be taught, other times we'll go straight into the roll-up. I like it as a way to warm up the spine. Keep going, keeping those abs pulling in and up, looking into the abs, drawing those shoulders away, pressing the knees together. Another variation I've seen is the arms reaching forward, and then you articulate down just towards your waist and up and over. This time articulate all the way down onto the mat, bone by bone, taking your legs out, flexing the legs for the roll-up. Arms are just at a diagonal, lifting your hands, arms, lifting your head up through the windows of your arms, all the way up for the roll-up. Bone by bone, articulate this way, all the way down. So inhale, lift that head up, and then exhale all the air out, keeping those feet flexed, then bone by bone, all the way down. Inhale, lift our head, exhale all the air out. Inhale as we start to articulate down. As we touch down with our shoulder blades, we exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Keep going, pulling those abs in and up to help you get off the mat and in and up as you go down bone by bone. Inhale and exhale, hugging those legs into the midline, pulling the abs in and up, drawing those shoulders away from your ears. Let's do one more. And then hold yourself down there for one leg circles. Left leg is out straight, foot is flexed, pulling that right knee in, arms for the side, take it straight up and across it around and up. It's across, around and up. It's all in the one direction. We've got 3 more. Keep going, across, around and up. Pulling those abs in and up and hold there. Now we go around, across and up. So we reversed it. Got 4 more. Think about pulling those abs in and out. The other ones are steering the ship, steering that leg around. And last one, bend that knee in, take that leg out, flexing that leg, pull the knee in, arms by the side, straight up, across, around and up. You can take a slight bend on that leg that's on the mat if that feels more comfortable. Otherwise, make sure that when you've got that straight, you keep it flexed. And hold there as we reverse round. Around, across and up. You're crossing the midline. You're pulling the abs in and up. You've got 2 more. And last one, hug that knee in, pull the knees in, and rock all the way up for rolling like a ball. For rolling like a ball, scoot yourself forward. Make sure we're going to rock back. Hands underneath our knee creases. Bring those heels towards. Take yourself up in the balance. Heels are together, hips apart. C-curve the spine. We rock back to the shoulder blades as we rock back up. We'll rock back to rock back up. Inhale, we rock back. Exhale, we rock up. Keep going, pulling those abs in and up to help you go back and to help you come up. This is feeling good. Take your hands to your ankles and rock back, drawing those shoulder blades down away from your ears, looking into your abs. We've got 2 more. We're rolling like a ball. And this is the last exercise in the 5 warm-up exercise. Hold the balance, place your feet on the mat, and thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you on the mat. Bye.